Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout, and today I'm going to be taking a look at this Rokform rugged case for my Galaxy S25 Ultra. I picked this up on Amazon. I was doing a little shopping on there, and I noticed they had some items available for 3-hour delivery, which we don't usually have here. So I figured I would go ahead and give it a try, and it came in about 2 hours. So that was pretty cool. But Amazon had this listed, and under the listing it said this was one of the influencer promoted items. So we're going to take a look at this and see if it's a little, gimmicky influencer kind of thing, or if it's actually a pretty nice case. This is my first time using any of the Rokform cases. I know they have some cases and they have some mounting accessories and stuff like that that they make for these. But one cool thing that caught my eye is, of course, it has the MagSafe magnetic stuff, so you can use your MagSafe accessories, chargers, mounts, and stuff like that, which is nice because I have a couple MagSafe chargers and a mount in my car. And of course, the magnet is not built into the Galaxy S25 Ultra, unfortunately, so you do have to have a supported case. But it also offers magnetic surface mounting. So there's another magnet down here, so you can actually stick this to just magnetic surfaces in general. You don't have to have a specific, like mount for it. So that's pretty cool. I know you can do that kind of with MagSafe cases depending on how strong the magnet is. Like my iPhone 16 Pro Max silicone case would stick to the fridge, but some cases don't have a strong enough magnet, but that's actually a listed feature for this case. So this one was about 70 bucks, I think it was, 70, 74, somewhere in there. I'll link it down in the description below. But got a nice carbon look here, carbon fiber. And this piece comes out, I believe. Yeah, so this piece pops out. You can leave it in there if you don't have the accessories, which I don't have any of these mounting accessories right here that use that slot, so I'm going to leave that in there for now. But they have some like twist lock mounting stuff if you want to use something in addition to the MagSafe. There is also a magnetic plug. If you want to use this for sticking it to magnetic surfaces, it says you can put that in there, and it will enhance the magnetic pull force. But it's not compatible with wireless charging. So if you want to use wireless charging, of course you can use it with this magnetic ring right here, but you can't use it with the magnetic plug in there. But they do give it to you if you want to pop it in there and use it for that. So if you are sticking this to something, as you can see, there's some metal in the box, I guess, because it sticks to that. But if you're sticking it to something magnetic, there's the magnets on the back of the spec case for my Galaxy S25 Ultra. It adheres to that. And then there is there's an opposite magnet right there, and then you can see it sticks right there, and it sticks to the MagSafe magnet as well. So we're going to go ahead and pop my phone in here. Let's go ahead and lock it so I don't take a screenshot or something. It's definitely a tight fit. There we go. Just have to get a better angle at it. I like how it feels, just right off the bat. The buttons are nice. They're clicky, tactile. You can feel that you press them. I know some cases like this, you can't tell if you push the button. You get a bunch of mispresses and stuff like that. But it feels good. It is a little bit bulky, as you can see, which, is expected. It is a rugged case. But you have your corner protection. Got your microphone cut out right there. Recessed camera area, so your cameras are protected. You do have a little bit of grip right here, a little texture. You do have plenty of space to get your S Pen out and back in. And one thing I like is you can see here, it's got a little raised kind of two sides right here, but this is open, so you can get your thumb in there easily to press the S Pen and get it to pop out. Speaker cutout, and then again your USB-C cutout right here on the bottom. Very nice. You can get most chargers in there, it looks like. But yep, very nice. I like the way it feels. Adds a little bit of, like I said, bulk to the phone, but it also gives you some grip, which is really, really nice. But I'm interested to try this out on like MagSafe chargers, as well as some of the magnetic accessories, like just sticking it to things, which I think is pretty cool. I don't really have any specific spots I'll do that with, but it will be pretty nice to have that. I'll have to try to find some use cases for it. So we'll see how I like this case and what I end up using it for. But here's some of the other stuff you can get. There's little, like grips that you can get in addition to this just being like MagSafe. You can also get one that goes in that locking portion. So there's a lanyard, there's a tripod creator kit for 150 bucks, the sport ring, magnetic sport ring, charging cables and stuff like that. They make their own MagSafe cables and accessories, which I have a bunch of those already. They have some car mounts and all that kind of stuff as well. So they give you a little pamphlet with some of the mounts and stuff like that. They have some motorcycle accessories and everything like that as well. So I'll leave a link to the Amazon page for this down in the description, and you can check it out down there. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.